What's going on, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and I've got a couple articles to get into. I'll leave you guys a link below. I'm going to just brush over these, and then I'm going to get into the chart and a couple of my thoughts with NEO here. I haven't really talked about NEO in a while, but I am considering adding to my small position on it or potentially buying some 2022, late 2022 calls, potentially a ways out of the money, talking $40 or up. Now, getting into this first, we've got an article that recently came out. We've got NEO delivery numbers here. So they delivered almost 10,500 vehicles in December 2021, giving it an increase of 50% year over year. NEO also delivered 25,000 vehicles in the 3 months ending December 2021, increasing 44% year over year. NEO delivered close to 100,000 vehicles, 91,500 vehicles, increasing by 109% year over year, a little more than double year over year. And we've got the news articles coming around, going to a more positive sentiment on NEO. Kind of interesting. We've got Forbes saying it's 55% undervalued with the 117% revenue pop. And we've got Investor Place saying there's a potential for a short squeeze, and bears are shaking in their boots. We've got a short interest of 4% of the float, so nothing major here, but it could potentially add to some buying pressure if we do see some moves coming up very soon. And seeing what the analysts think before we hop over to the chart, we've got a 61.86 price target representing a 95% upside, almost a double up from here. So first off, we've got last month $65 price target by VJ Rakesh, a 5-star analyst, and I'll get to him in a second. And we've also got Jeff Chung with the $87 price target, also reiterated last month. Now looking at Mr. Rakesh, we've got a 5-star analyst, 278 out of 373 ratings successful, giving it about a 75% accuracy, and we've got an average return from him of about 34%. Now looking at NEO, we did break our previous support here, but we are trying to hold above it. We had this somewhat of a W or double bottom, and RSI wise, the 1 day and the 5 day were a little oversold, although the 1 month, 3 month, 6 month were somewhat in the middle of the RSI. So we do have some potential room to run up before becoming overbought on the longer term time frames. So that's something to keep in mind. And as we get more hype, as NEO drops more news about expanding into the US, I see this definitely getting some hype, definitely running up a bit. And it does look like we're trying to hold over the EMAs. If we can have another green day next week, have a couple of green days, I think that's going to be our confirmation and our reversal to the upside. Although if we do have a red week, the first week of 2022, the new year, if we do have a red week, I will likely be buying some late 2022 calls, maybe 2023, at about a $40 to a $50 price target, depending on what the premium is going to cost. But I'll be looking into that next week. I'll give you guys an update on that. And I am considering buying some shares at this price, just keeping my portfolio position small at around no more than 3% on this. That's what I'm going to do. And that's just my thoughts on NEO. What are your guys' thoughts? Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about NEO. This is really the only Chinese stock that I would touch. But let me know below why you think I should look into any other Chinese companies. Thanks as always, guys, and I will see you next time.